McCoy with Flourish Leadership Group, where I ignite your leadership to the next level. I'm so glad you tuned in. Join me today for an exciting new product to light up new worlds. When I saw this terrific deal on this opportunity to grab a really great product all about new lighting. So here I have it. My new Amazon box just came in, and I just wanted to share it with you because I knew that you would be delighted to be sharing this with you as well. This is the new Rye King candle, this LED, and it's a terrific find because not only because of the toxins that can be very harming for candlelight, but also this particular product being something that is eco-friendly and also being able to have great lighting. I understand it has 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8-inch sets. It has a timer and remote control, and it also, I understand, can be lit for several hours. So it's something that can really go on for quite a bit of time. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab these out of here, which is really spectacular because I'm so excited to see what is in store here. I'm so glad you're joining for this unboxing because I am so excited to get this great new product because, as I said, it's got so many terrific features on here, including, I might add that it has a number of different colors, but it comes with 2 AA batteries in each one, and it actually has lighting for about 50 hours. So with that battery lighting, to be able to have kind of an authentic look, if you will, for each of the candles, as there's the battery holder right here that can go right in at the bottom, and then that it can be able to have this nifty little remote control to be able to adjust accordingly. So I think it's really remarkable when they have a tool or a product that can be something like this, to be able to have the various ways, you know, the on-off switch. You can set the timer, if you can see right there, for 2 hours, or you can have it for a different time. I know I will use this in my office for lighting as well, for events, for entertaining, for the holidays as well, for being able to have just around for the occasion. Because I think it's critical that we think about how we entertain and how we provide a support. So just to show you kind of the variation in the height here of this one and this one, so just a little bit different, but I love that it gives you some variety, and each one of these having this little set, as you can see here, to be able to support, which I think is really truly exciting because you want to have something that you can have as a tool, is that it's a variety, because this is something that is real wax, but it also comes in this kind of ceiling, if you can see this as well, to be able to have not only something that is customized but doesn't obviously burn up real candles, and then the idea that I could use it for lighting. So let's go ahead and get these batteries inside here. Okay, and let me get this going. Hey, we have light. Awesome. Look at that. How cool is that? Neat. So just, I had the switch here already activated. So really nice to be able to have that as turning on and off as a feature. And let me go ahead and get one of these other ones in here. Some batteries. These batteries inside. I'm just using my standard Energizer batteries here to make sure that they get in and turn on device, which is so cool. Okay, and turn this one on too, so I can have a variety here and being able to have some lighting. So there you go, such a great little product, and it actually has, as you can see kind of at the top here, a flicker lighting that allows for it to be protected, not have any emission of, as I mentioned, carbons and you know, the aromas, but also to be able to have something that's long lasting. So feel free to check this out. I have as a link below here. And also to be able to check out some of the other resources that I have on my website at flourishleadership.com. Because not only being resourceful, but to be able to have tools like this as a leader, so that if you have an event, you will have a very classy affair, but also if you have lighting for your office or for elements, maybe you're having a reception of some sort, something that you can have in various, obviously, sizes, the comparison here, to be able to have a variety. I also feel free to provide this as part of one of my tools. Leaders not only need to be able to be thoughtful about having tools, but being able to be resourceful so that they can make a referral to friends and tell others. So if you like this video, like it if you do. Feel free to hit the notification button as well as the bell so that you'll be notified when I go live. Feel free to also check out flourishleadership.com/tools for information about tools and resources much like this to help you be a better leader and being able to showcase what you do. And as well, I want you to just make sure that you're doing all you can to be out there and be resourceful. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until we meet again, be enlightened, be enriched, be empowered.